Today, we investigate whether expensive vehicles offer superior crashworthiness. Let's uncover the truth behind the allure of expensive cars. Many believe expensive cars equate to safer rides. However, crash tests reveal varied results. The Insurance Institute for Highway Safety, IIHS, notes that while some luxury models perform well, others show vulnerabilities in critical areas like side impacts and rollovers. In rigorous tests, certain high-end vehicles excel in protecting occupants. The Tesla Model S and Mercedes-Benz E-Class, for instance, have earned top safety ratings. Crash avoidance systems in luxury cars have significantly reduced injury claims, although effectiveness varies. Technological advancement play a pivotal role. Features like adaptive cruise control and automatic emergency braking contribute to accident prevention. AAA research shows luxury vehicles equipped with advanced driver assistance systems, ADAS, are up to 50% less likely to crash. Despite advancements, expensive cars have limitations. Some prioritize performance over safety, compromising in crash scenarios. The National Highway Traffic Safety Administration, NHTSA, data reveals mixed results in different crash scenarios. Affordability does not mean safety compromise. Many mainstream vehicles offer robust safety features comparable to luxury cars. Consumer Reports find some mid-range vehicles perform as well or better in crash tests, highlighting comprehensive safety assessments regardless of price. At Rosenfeld Injury Lawyers, we advocate for safety and justice. Whether you drive a luxury sports car or a reliable family sedan, your safety is paramount. If you've been involved in a car accident, contact us today for expert legal support. Remember, safety knows no price tag.